Another morning. I got a mess out here, kind of, huh? Where we've been trying to figure out how to put a driveway back to the 70 acres off of our existing driveway, so you don't see it from the house back there, in case we sell the house and the land separately. So what I've done is we took out two pretty good sized trees yesterday. We've taken out all the little scrub here in what we call our front yard. That's the main road right there. That's our driveway. What I need to do is come up right through there. Come up from my driveway through this way. And then around here, you see where my excavator is, and around the back of our carport. So that big pine tree right there probably needs to come out. I hate taking out that big old tree, but I might have to. But in the meantime, we're just gonna go ahead and clear up all this debris and then see where we go from there. I like doing this stuff though, it's fun. Got to make sure that thing doesn't go that way. £35,000, we're going to do it. Probably need to take the roots up behind it first.
Okay.
But that should hold it from going. It may take out some of these branches, but hopefully it'll go. All right, I'm coming up here with the skid steer.
Okay.
know what you're looking at? Lumber for cabins. We may start building little 12-foot square cabins.